Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday. More importantly, it's Taco Tuesday. I'll get to that in a moment. Last night, with the culinary expedition, we were in Vietnam. I saw this recipe and I'm like, I gotta make it. When you put the word caramelized, it makes my mouth water. Last night, I prepared tom rim, which is Vietnamese caramelized shrimp. Oh, this is not a, oh my God, it was, oh, no. It was good. Very good. The little caramelized bits in the bottom of the pan. Oh, now those were good. It's a fast dish. It's fun. It's easy. It's inexpensive. I wish I had more of it. But hey, I'm a chef. I can make more. All right, tonight it is Taco Tuesday. I promised you last week I was going to do tacos. Tonight I am making a cilantro-lime shrimp tacos. I am on a seafood kick this week. I'll admit it. A lot of shrimp, fish. All right, let's get to it. All I need is one pan. That's it. And a bunch of bowls. I got some shrimp. These are 4150s on the smaller side, but that's perfect for shrimp tacos. All right, I'm just going to list the ingredients because it's a smattering of things for the slaw and the sauce and yeah. All right, so we got some kosher salt, garlic, extra virgin olive oil. The recipe specifically says Duke's mayonnaise. I happen to have it. Red onion, hot sauce. Considering this is a Mexican slash, south right around the border type dish. I love Cholula. And I like them all, but Cholula is one of my favorites. Some cabbage for the slaw. I'm having cabbage 3 times this week. So cabbage, got cabbage. Lime juice, I'm actually going to the store first thing this morning because I need to pick up a lime because there's supposed to be lime zest in 2 of the components. So that's just kind of a stand-in for a lime or 2 that I'm picking up at the store, shortly. Some Mexican cumin, avocado, which goes in the slaw, plenty of cilantro, throughout the dish, and one of my favorite, flour street taco size tortillas. Don't hate me. And here's all the goodies for tonight's wonderful meal. Cilantro-Lime Street Tacos. Yes, it's Taco Tuesday here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. So on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.